Class 7 NCERT Chapter 8 Question 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? हमें क्या planning करनी चाहिए advance में? The answer, first point, we should not ignore the warnings issued by the meteorological department through TV, radio, or newspaper. The second point is avoid driving on roads so standing water as floods may have damaged the roads. The third point is phone numbers of all emergency service like police, fire brigade, and medical centers should be handy. The fourth is always store drinking water for emergency. The fifth is do not touch wet switches and fallen power lines. Next is do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demand. And the seventh last point is cooperate and help neighbors. That's